This doll right here, she's Madame Alexander, and she has a really weird wooden neck stop that came from the wrong kind of body. But that's what she used to have, is a rubber body. But now I'm gonna give her a composition body because rubber bodies suck, and composition bodies are cool. So, especially the ones with the cloth in the middle, because they're soft and cuddly and so snuggly, and everybody loves them. So anyway, let's get down to it. Let me show you. I dropped it on the floor. Here it is. Neck Stob, doll head. Little thing that goes in the middle. Okay, look. Right here. Pull this out. Put your fabric on top. Like doll fabric body, whatever. If you're making a new body, poke that down. Put the thing in the middle. Okay. Elastic string. Oh yeah, you're supposed to put glue inside here. Sorry. Start over. Put some wood glue in here. Elmer's wood glue, not Gorilla Glue, ever, never. Okay, and then you put this over here with a pre-punctured hole in it, over the center, and then poke this thing back down in here. And then you're going to use this elastic string to loop around that bar right there and pull it back out the other side. Which, if you have some curved hemostats, that would be the best tool to use for this here operation, which is a lot easier than I'm making it look right now. Because pliers are not the ideal tool for this, and I can't really see what I'm doing because I'm trying to show you what I'm doing. On. Ta-da. I got it. Alright. So now you're going to pull. Whoopsie. You're going to pull both of these ends through your pre-punctured hole in the fabric here. Okay. It's good to do this over a nice soft surface because you could drop the doll head and that would be tragic. Let me center this hole a little bit better. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. And then I'm going to push the string through there. And I'm going to pull it tight here. I'm going to straighten the fabric out so that it's not bunched up. Okay. And then I pull that as tight as I can. Then I'm going to kill my fingers by wrapping it around there and forcing it into a knot that's going to be big enough to not go back through that little hole right there. If it can go back through that hole, that's not good enough. You got to keep making another knot, which hurts twice as bad because then you got to make two of them. Okay, so then when you make the knot, pull it tight, 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 tight. Okay, as tight as you can, down into that hole, and then another knot if it's, you know, small enough to go back through that hole, which, you know, I hope it's not. And mine worked out well. So what you end up with here is a, that's the fabric. I didn't straighten it out good enough. All right, you've got basically a neck that allows the head to turn. Say no, 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 no. And yes, I like it. And I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not so sure. So she could tilt her head. Not very far. My thumbs are in the way under here. Or she could turn her head. So she's more posable than a flange neck doll. Please like and subscribe. If you're watching on YouTube, if you're watching on my Facebook page at facebook.com/SwankyKitty, please like my page and leave me a comment. Thanks.